day one in the ICU. Think it's like 20 hours post-op and feeling pretty good at the moment, not so bad as I thought it would be. Not like I'm very tired all the time, and they're constantly coming here to check me, so it's not that bad. I thought it was worse. Nothing new. I think the surgery went pretty fast, or at least that's how it felt like. And in the next moment I woke up with a tube in my throat, and the recovery had started. I'm doing a lot of exercise with the physiotherapist and need to wash myself. I have been trying to sit up like I think 4 or 5 times, and it's getting better and better. It's moving pretty fast actually, and hopefully tomorrow I can get out of here. The only thing I'm scared about is my heart rate, which is, well, I'm not scared, but it's 110, 115, so that's why I also took another medication, but hopefully it will get better. I'm not in too much pain here because I'm constantly on morphine, so I guess that kind of takes the pain away from me, and I'm feeling pretty good, just like normal days. Only when I want to do something physical like sit up or something, then I feel the pain, but that's very manageable and really nothing to be scared of. So yeah. Just stood up for the first time and went to the bathroom, and now I'm going to the private room to stay there till the end. Chest is pretty sore, but it's fine. I've been taking good care of. Great. The second day in the ICU. Oh yeah, so one thing I forgot to mention was that they didn't put any mechanical or biological valve into my aorta. And that's because the surgeon saw a possibility that he could fix the current one. So it was done in a completely different way, and now I don't have to take any medications or warfarin or whatever for the rest of my life. So that was awesome. Yeah. So I got to the regular room now. I have a mate here as well. It's been under 40 hours when I woke up from the surgery, and I can walk around already. It's pretty tough to talk. You get tired very quickly, but I can eat, I can walk a bit, go to the bathroom myself, and it's great actually. I was a bit worried like 10 minutes ago. I was coughing so much because I had this sputum in my lungs, but then I breathed some steam and did some, well, I just had to cough, you just have to do it. Yeah, I'm just feeling better and better all the time. Like the fact that I'm even standing up right now is such a big deal for me. A different room this time than where I was before. Here I can see the inside of the hospital from the windows here. But yeah, I can't walk around much. I get tired very quickly. Just gonna grab some headphones and maybe start editing the videos. Hopefully it can get out soon. Yeah, that's life here. And oh God, I get tired so easily. Bye.